Alright, so we're talking now about what angle we want to throw something or launch something so that it will travel the maximum distance. Now I have this ball and I need to throw it an incredibly long distance, right? And so I want to pick an angle at which to throw the ball so that it will travel a long way before it hits the ground. Now one extreme is to throw the ball at a 0-degree angle. In other words, throw it parallel like this at the ground, like this, right? And as you watch, you'll see that this way is not terribly effective. Alright, and so we saw that throwing it at a 0-degree angle was not a good method for making it go as far as we want to go. Because although I had a tremendous amount of force pushing the ball in that direction, because I did not throw it up, I did not give the ball a lot of time in the air. While it went this way with tremendous speed, gravity immediately pulled it down to the ground before it could cover a lot of distance, right? So we're going to try a new method. Let's say this time I want to give it as much time in the air as possible, so I'm going to launch this thing at as close to a 90-degree angle as possible, right? And let's see what happens. Alright, and so throwing it at a 90-degree angle did not work for a different reason. That is, while I gave it a tremendous amount of time in the air, I did not have any force going that direction. All my force was directed straight up in giving the ball that acceleration to shoot it up in the air. So, what do we want to do? What we want to do is to pick an angle in between 90 degrees and 0 degrees, right? And so we're going to throw this ball now at a 45-degree angle. And you can watch the results are quite fantastic.